Hello everyone, it's me again, Engineer slash Bloggeries. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon at may masapul daw kaming tignan na site para sa aming proposed project. Fast forward at tuy kamin. Kita om? Because awampay yung mga hinihintay namin, maglikaw-likaw muna tayo to see the beauty of this site. Okay, let's get started. Dito pala yung main entrance. And as you see, medyo tanaw na ang Poway Lake. So, let's umas-asidig pay. Guys, ito pala yung Poway Lake National Park. Let's get in. From here, so makita mo, wow, very nice view. Ito na guys, ang Poway Lake. At saka may view deck. At mga cottages pa. Wow. Pagpasensyahan yun guys. Maalog. Awan stabilizer dito yung camera. Baka naman iPhone, Samsung. Okay. This is the existing view deck. My selfie. Paikot-ikot. Then, smile. Ayan. Wow. Yan. Ito yung rampa na walang nagapuan. At di alam kung saan tutungo. Let's go. Parang Titanic. Okay. Feel natin. Beautiful view. Makita tayo the whole view of the Poway Lake. Feel na feel. Smile. Feeling niya nasa harap ng Titanic na barko. Parang may photographer, may para video. Yan. Ang ganda ng view. Diyan pala papatayo yung multi-purpose. Diyan sa tubig mismo. Okay, let's go back. While going back, dito yung pinakbet farm. Pinagtataka ko lang how to plant di bagoong. Wala kasi akong nakikitang bagoong dito. Pinakbet farm. Charing! Okay, let's go up. And yan yung ito yung daanan na maraming fire tree na bonsai. Yan. May yellow line na naman. It means dito ipapatayo yung isang facility para sa Poway Lake National Park. Tingnan nyo. As yung makita. Parang kompleto na. Kahit di pa na-develop. Okay, before we leave the first site, selfie. Fast forward, let's go to the second station. Dito ko itatayo yung aking palasyo. Yan, tanaw ang Poway Lake. Joke. Tanaw na tanaw. Yan, nagkwekwentuhan. May magpapakape. Oh, mas maganda yata to. Selfie muna. Dahil sa medyo pagod na, eto may nagpakape. Thank you, sponsor. Till next time.